11 o'clock Saturday night, Thanksgiving weekend holiday. We have a snow warning out. It's been out since 11 this morning. And it's going to continue on until tomorrow night at 7 o'clock, Sunday night. 8 to 12 inches plus. System snow tonight. Tomorrow it's going to be lake effect over Lake Michigan moving in. But it's not too nice out. It's accumulating now. Yep. Thanksgiving holiday weekends are always tiring, very tiring. Yep. Real windy out, as you can see. Cold out. It's 27 degrees out, but it feels like about 15 degrees at wind chill. I thought I'd make a little video here. Like I say, put down a like for me. Thumbs up. Give me a comment. Surely appreciate it. Yep. Wintertime, South Bend, Indiana. A couple weeks ago, it was nice out. A couple weeks ago on Saturday, I was sitting on the patio. 60-some degrees out. How things change in a couple of weeks, huh? A couple of days. But, yeah. It looks cold, and it is cold, It's colder than it looks. Put it that way, everybody. But, yeah, it's supposed to continue on until tomorrow night, 7 o'clock, snow warning. Guys, take care now. Enjoy the rest of your Thanksgiving holiday weekend. Really coming down, huh? Beautiful sight when you're in the house, nice and warm in the house. Okay, guys, take care now. Have a good day coming up tomorrow. Hopefully tomorrow maybe the snow will quit. Even though they're not saying it's going to quit. Hopefully it does quit tomorrow. And get the roads plowed so we can get out of here. Do some shopping, what have you. But take care, everybody. Stay safe, stay warm, and be good, okay? Take care, everybody. See ya.